Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is our car. I'm gonna show you one of our seat belts gets stuck inside, and here's Jessica wants you to say something.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Just Vlog 1. So today, it's been a long time since we made videos with my papa, but today my papa is gonna be showing us how to fix my seatbelt, because you know it's a little bit broken and you know it's kind of broken. See?
Oh, okay. Hey guys, you're watching on my channel Just Vlog Once. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button for more updates. Stay safe and enjoy watching. So your seatbelt, you cannot use it anymore. So we'll try to fix, guys, and I will show you for this a short video. So you're now watching Just Vlog Once. I have some tools here I prepared. This is our first tools that we're gonna use, and after that, as we go along the way, we'll try to figure out what some tools that we needed. So this is a 2000 Toyota Camry. It's an old Model 1. So let's try. I took it off this back seat here.
That's so cool!
I think.
Look at the secret plate.
I'm not sure. I think this is the accessible one here. Get off. And also the center. Ano lang na siya. And how to take it off this. I think we need to loosen this nut gamit ang 12mm socket wrench. Ito ni siyang tanggalon. Let's get from here. Duha na siya. Try na to. Accessible ba ta sa pagtanggal aning housing. Hindi araman diri ang seatbelt nga dautan na to i-replace or fix if possible. Let's check one of our tools here. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, Jessica. Hold the camera and be the camera girl. Okay?
How do I hold this?
Okay. See the nut, guys? Okay. Here we go.
Oh, I hear the turning.
Yeah. Hear the turning? Told you. Wow. See that? You can use your bare hands now.
Why are you yelling?
Turn counterclockwise ang pagpalugak. Right? See? See that? That's cool. It's off.
Oh!
Wow! Now we're able to figure out. See? That's the only nuts, guys. Nga ni fasten ani nga one of the side rear seats. Fasten siya dire. And kini siya, mao ni siya ang nag hook dire.
That
Amazing.
thingy looks like the fortune cookie skin.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. I know.
Yeah, I know.
I'm eating fortune cookies.
Oh yeah? So we're gonna buy that one soon. And here?
Back.
Yeah, back in. Alright. Try to find ngitag screw gasa siya naka-fasten. There we go, guys. You see this two black thingy that clips right underneath. I think we have to
What is that?
press
The
press this way. Make
button.
those cover right on the speaker. Take it off. Okay. Alright.
Wow!
Everyone
Strong!
see? So now nag-trial and error lang sa ta. If that works, that would be better.
What is this?
Because I don't think these nuts are connected there. I don't think so, but just have to find it first. Okay, then we'll see what's next. Alright guys, try to figure out those things. I think we're gonna have to take it off this cover here. Hindi siya. Para ma-lift it up natin eh. This thing here. Okay. One thing I discover, yun siya. I don't know what kasi gamitan eh. What's this used for? Found something this one can be. Take it off. There you go. Na ang bolt, ane? You have to loosen this thing. So, same thing, 12mm socket wrench to unloosen this bolt.
Oh, it's
Cool?
it's like a toy thingy.
Toy, good tao.
It looks like a toy.
Pwede na na to. Use your bare hand to unloosen it. Ang kinamoton para mas madali og sayon. I think this is the only thing that holds the whole
Belt.
backboard on this car. Let's see here. Alright. Mga din siya guys. Here. Hindi sila. Mga din silang tulo. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 3. All screws are loosened. So the best thing ato ni siyang matanggal. So we have to apply a little bit pressure guys para ma-dislocate ang iyang mga nuts dito sa likod. See? Now, hinay na siya ka tanggal. Once matanggal na ni siya ang to dito, so easy itong access sa iyo na lang. Right? See? Okay? So on this side, you have to take it off also guys. Let's continue. Siya accessible. Easy ni mo nga matanggal guys. That one. The plastic fastener. Okay. Think. See, there you go. So this side. Take it off. Alright guys, after nga ni-remove na to kini diri nga side cover, kini na easy na lang. See? As I told you. Tadan! Now we have access to this seatbelt thingy. So this one is a 14mm hexagonal bolt. So we're gonna use this 14mm. Here. Bang! Boom! Bingo! Ano siya nga set? Ito may replace for a new one, or we'll check if we can fix it up. Right? Hope everything is not complicated. Here guys, it's here. Wiggle it. Yeah, wiggle it. There you go. Bingo. So our next step, how to take it out, this one from this, the back cover. Alright. So to take off this thing, guys, spinning plastic, I think we have to use this flat screwdriver. You have to insert on a certain point that we're gonna be separate. What?
Ice cream.
Alright, see?
I already knew how to take that off.
That's it. Oh, come on.
There. Anna, can you hold this? I want to get ice cream. Wait, hold it. I'll give you $5. I'll give you $5. You broke it.
Yeah, I know.
Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna have a broken car. Can you hold this, please? Please, please. I'll give you my ice cream. Tiana. Oh, it's a marble. He's not holding it.
Okay, guys. Alright, guys, we have our original strap and we bought a different side of seatbelt. It's on the rear passenger seat at the back. So this belt from the one we bought, you just have to remove this one and place it this. So I'm gonna show you how. So imo siyang bitaron. Yeah. Mo ni siya lock niya. So you have to pop it out towards you and then replace the insert plastic in the middle. Right? So hold this one, the black, together with, alright, see? Together with your hands. Oh. See that? It pops out here. And this one, I told you to remove this thingy. This is the lock, right? So hold until you assembled it, everything. Just remember, how did you do it? Timanin nyo dun sa pagbukan. Place it everything in its original position. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3. But keep on holding. 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 Okay, bam. This one is from the original strap we bought. Nga itong napalit. So this is the cover here. So let's replace it. So make it sure you're on the right track. This one here. Right, all the way around. One full turn. Here, see this one? Full turn. So, mo siyang patasan, guys, para na siya room pag place ni mo ani. So don't forget, keep on holding this thingy. Hindi siya. Okay, once buhian ni mo, it will roll back on its original position and lisod na kayo pag here. Alright, guys, there you go. See it, see it thoroughly, watch it thoroughly. And now I will insert this plastic, yeah, the stopper. Yeah, just insert it there. So we have very good allowance together with the thickness of the strap of the plastic. Remember, one full turn. Okay, so before that, keep on holding. Already, I think we're good, guys. So that's it. No problem. You can fix it anyways again. The ratchet works. There you go. Karon guys, naobserbaran ako kini dang seatbelt, kini yung mechanism. Kung ma-pull nimo siya continuously, masabot nga wala mo i-robbery ang iyahang timing. So once ma-shaking ni siya, mao nang something happen nga mag-drive mo sa imong car nga ma-pull ang imong body, stop ni siya automatically, see? Pero naka-steady ni siya, imo ni siyang hilaon, see? Continuously. Pero once ma-shaking, see? Wala na. I-shake na ko siya. So now we can conclude nga na siya something mechanism diri nga if this one feels shaking, even just a very tiny, automatically it will lock. So now, our new discover! Push it this one here with the use of your hands with a little pressure. Alright? Okay. Guys, works perfectly. Using a 14mm socket wrench for this bolt. Now, you have a new mechanism for your seatbelt. You insert the belt right down here. This one should be inserted here before it goes here. Forget this one to insert on this board. Okay, before you're putting this belt on this mechanism. Right down here. Right? One full turn and make it sure just holding it this ratchet permanently until such time you've done everything, putting the plastic stopper right here in the middle. I will show you, no problem, just keep on watching. Put in mind, just always remember the way you pull it out, it's the same way that you're gonna pull it in. See here? Insert it here. Where you can see. See? It's getting locked now, so you have to be careful because when it turns back, it's hard to find the highest limit of this ratchet. You have to go along the way. So there, make a room and insert this plastic. This is the stopper, right? Once inserted, this one, it will goes here inside. This is how it works, guys. The seat belt mechanism. Go. Pull it this way. That's it. here when it clicks. Right? I think you're good to go. Right! New seatbelt right now. Insert using your hand pressure, but see to it this lock will go inside of this small hole. That's the guide. And push it using a hand pressure. Alright? See? There you go. Using this scratch to snug the bolt. Put this cover back. This one. Lid. There you go. You have a new fixed center rear passenger seat belt. It works perfectly in and out. Here's everything. So we're gonna put it back, everything in place, and let's check and try how the seat belts works if the person's sitting in the middle. Alright guys, there we go. I put everything on its proper place and on its proper right spot. This is the one that we replaced. Mao siya. This is the original belt. Ang mechanism ra ang atong gi-replace diri, which has been stuck for many years. So that's the right passenger, this is the left, and this is the center rear.
So guys, now that my papa has fixed my seatbelt, I'm gonna try to see if it works. Drum roll, please.
Just wait, Jessica, don't forget your car seat. Okay? Always use car seat, Jessica. So yung paminaw, how do you feel?
I feel great. And
It works?
I have to wear my car seat every day.
Okay.
So guys, this is the end of today's video, but don't forget to wear a car seat if you're not tall enough. And I'm really happy that my seatbelt is finally fixed. And yeah, and I'm really happy that my papa fixed it for me. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Bye bye!